What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, but I got good reason. Life's going for me. I went back to school, had some issues here and there with other things, but today we took the time to go to the track at Grange. One of my girlfriend's cousins, Omar, which was in that nice Z over there, super mint garage, clean 40k miles. But he hit me up and he told me he had some friends going to the track, so we set some time today and we went. Talking from the future, but I'm gonna throw in whatever clips I can take today, and I'll talk about a few of the changes that I made to the car before coming today, and all this was done in like the span of a week, or I mean within the week, last week. So I think I finished the car. I had the car in pieces like 2 days ago, as always, for track days and stuff like that. I had to do a bunch of maintenance, but I'll talk about that after all the clips and everything, so we'll see how it goes, but enjoy.
You're close.
Oh, fuck.
You got stuck?
Yep.
Stuck, homeboy. Think you're stuck?
Yep.
Are you beached? You sure?
Yep.
I think your tire's pretty shot. Did you try pulling out?
Yeah.
And what happened? It's scraping?
Yeah.
Right. You're pretty on there, but I mean, let's go. Get in. Don't go fucking fast, I say. Turn the wheel straight. You're gonna go straight. All right?
Thank you, bro.
Show me. You go first.
So it is nighttime. I'm home. Probably getting bad at this. I am tired. Track days are tiring. But some changes that I made to the car. I actually bought GK Tech's dual caliper hydro setup, so that's installed. Unfortunately, the bracket that I had made for it wasn't sturdy enough, so I didn't really try to rip on the e-brake rip on the handbrake too much. But I'll show you guys the setup. And I almost completely didn't make the track event because I'm too lazy to take off the wheel. But I'll show you guys the dual caliper. But one of the caliper bolts with the spacer actually was loose and it fell off, so my caliper was just dragging off half off the disc and like hitting the wheel, my work wheel, sadly. But I mean, I'll show you guys the fix we did. I put like 5 washers on one side and 3 washers on the other side because the bolt was too long. But yeah, let me show you guys so far what we have. So we got the dual caliper. Wheels are dirty already. But if you, I can't really see. I'm gonna squeeze my phone in there just for you guys to see it. But if you look right there, the bolt was too long, so I had to put 3 washers here and 5 there. But I mean, it was one of those quick fixes that actually ended up lasting the whole track event, so I'm not too upset about that. Plus the hardware for this is probably gonna be expensive, so I think I'll just try to find a shorter bolt so I don't have to use too many spacers for that. But yeah, that's the dual caliper right there. And when we go on the interior, yeah, everything's all gold. Yeah, this thing's flimsy, but it's bled, it works. I even got the GK Tech knurled shift knob, so yeah, I really like it so far. I think those are the only 2 like major drift car changes that I've made to it. I don't know if I've explained in another video, it's been a while, but I have that thing like really set up now. And by that I mean daily car duties, because I've been driving since I picked up the car without AC and a few issues here and there. I actually fixed the AC for pretty cheap, so this car is just, I'm loving every second of it. I've always wanted a Z for like the last 3 years, and I finally just waited long enough to get a good deal on it. So that thing is like best thing ever so far. I get to seat time, I get to drive it to work. AC wasn't too much to fix. I had to just replace the condenser. I'll probably throw an image in there just so you guys can see it if I haven't seen it or shown it already. But man, and I also had to did some more GK Tech stuff. I put bushings in, which are no fun, so I didn't really show it. But I used the new spherical bushings for the front arms. I did a lot. I did an overhaul on the front arms, the hydro, dual caliper. I also did both axles. That one really screwed me. I wasn't expecting that, but I wanted the car to be really mint for the track, so I did that, and I did transmission and another oil change. But a few more things I learned from this event. I think I was totally against the idea of welding the diff because I daily the car, and every now and then Natalie might take it, but I think I'm just gonna weld the diff. I want to have fun with that car. It's working so right, so thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. I got more. I'm gonna get back into it. Oh, somebody wants to say hi. Well, say hi. Look, say hi. Every day, this child of mine. Come here. Oh, all right. Tell the blog we'll see him later. All right. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.